If you're still running an e-commerce store the same way you did a year or two ago, there's a real chance your business will fail. Customer acquisition costs are higher than ever, ad platforms are less predictable, and customer patience is at an all-time low. Today's buyers expect faster checkout, smarter personalization, and seamless buying experiences, or they leave. And the scary part is, most of the time, they never come back. So in this video, I'm breaking down the e-commerce features you absolutely need in 2026, and I'll show you how a single tool can handle all of them without turning your store into a mess of plugins and workarounds. All right, let's get into it. Not too long ago, it was normal to run separate systems for different things. One setup for physical products, another for courses, another for software or subscriptions. But that time has changed. In 2026, the strongest brands are hybrid. They sell physical products, digital downloads, software, memberships, sometimes all at once from a single platform. That leads us to the first e-commerce features you need in 2026. The ability to sell both digital and physical products from the same platform. If you're still juggling 5 different plugins duct taped together, or worse, multiple platforms, you are doing it wrong. The tool you use should be able to handle every kind of product, physical goods with shipping, digital products with instant downloads, and even software with automatic license keys. All right, imagine this. The moment a customer purchases a digital subscription, license keys are generated automatically, and access should be revoked when the subscription expires without you updating anything. That's not a dream stack. That's what modern stores expect in 2026. If your current e-commerce setup doesn't fit into the hybrid model, or you need to manage everything manually, you're stuck in the past. Now, let me pause here for a second, because this is where most store owners get it wrong. They think e-commerce problems start with traffic. But in reality, most revenue leaks happen after someone is already ready to buy. And that brings us to checkout. Study after study shows the same thing. Checkout friction is the #1 reason for cart abandonment. Not price, not shipping. It's the friction that customers hate. Your checkout page is no longer a page. It's an experience. The moment someone clicks buy, everything needs to feel effortless. Pages must load instantly. There should be no forced account creation. Payment options should be flexible, familiar, and fast. And the whole process must flow smoothly. Every extra step you add is another excuse for someone to just walk away. And if you're still making it difficult for customers to complete the purchase, you're leaving money on the table. There's another money-making opportunity e-commerce owners often overlook. Checkout isn't just where you collect money. It's also one of the best places to increase your revenue. Well, I'm talking about order bumps. Not using them means sacrificing revenue at checkout. On average, stores that use relevant order bumps see an extra 10 to 30% in revenue per order, without more traffic, without more ads, and without convincing anyone of anything. You're not doing a hard sell. You're not overcoming objections. You're simply offering something useful at the exact moment the customer is already buying. Now, quick reality check. If your platform doesn't support order bumps natively, that's not a small limitation. That's lost revenue every single day. But it's not just about public sales. Sales in 2026 aren't one size fits all. Exclusivity plays a huge role now. Sometimes you want private offers. Sometimes exclusive deals for repeat buyers. Sometimes bundles that create an irresistible value stack, without making them publicly available for all. Now, be honest with yourself for a second. Can your system handle all of that easily, or does it fight you every step of the way? Because if it can't, you're not just losing sales, you're missing opportunities you didn't even know you had. Well, let me interrupt here with something really important. Growth without control is dangerous. When you start pushing promotions blindly and your system can't manage inventory properly, You risk overselling, refund chaos, and customer trust issues. And once trust is damaged, it's incredibly hard to rebuild. That's why smart inventory management isn't optional anymore. It needs to work quietly, accurately, and without friction, especially as your store scales. Now, let's talk about the gap between stores that grow and stores that don't. Deep data analytics. In 2026, total sales isn't enough. You need visibility into your sales growth, top performing products, and who's coming back again and again. The moment you see the real time sales, understand refund patterns, identify your best customers, and spot issues early, you're no longer guessing. You're making decisions based on reality. And all of that leads to the big question. Is it possible for a single product to tackle every possible need and finally overpower the plugin stacks you've been using for years? The answer is yes. That's exactly why Fluent Cart exists. This modern WordPress e-commerce solution built specifically for how online businesses operate today. It's shaped by real user feedback and designed to remove complexity, not to add it. With Fluent Cart, you can sell physical products, digital products, subscriptions, and software from one place. You get fast, flexible checkout with multiple payment options. Order bumps are built in. Inventory is handled cleanly. And don't forget the performance. Whether you're handling 10 customers or 10,000 orders piling in at once, Fluent Cart is built on custom database tables, so it stays butter smooth. So now you know two things. You know the threats facing e-commerce in 2026, and you know there is a cleaner, smarter way to deal with them. If you want a store that's up to 3 times faster, handles hybrid products natively, and gives you the data you need to scale, you need to check out Fluent Cart. I've put a link in the description where you can see the latest features and get started. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more deep dives into the future of online business. Catch you in the next one!